Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay and staying safe. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you, and this time it is Asos box, and this is their hydration box. As always, if you're new to Asos, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what's inside this month's box, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments. So Asos is a monthly beauty box. It's not a subscription, it's a beauty box that they release on their website, usually around the 1st or 2nd of every month. You get to see the contents inside and it costs £12. As long as you sign up to an account with Asos, then you're good to go. The majority of the boxes do cost £12, but it all depends on the products. Sometimes we have like collaboration boxes with Clinique and Bobbi Brown and Pixie as well. They are more expensive, but they go up to £15, so still not break the bank budget as far as beauty subscription boxes go in comparison. So the saving on this box is above 70%, and all the products inside the boxes you can buy off the Asos website. I bought this off Asos UK, but if you weren't aware, Asos do ship internationally. There is a section on their website, if I can find it I'll pop it down below. There's a section on their website detailing all the countries that they're sending to. At the moment there might be some delays due to coronavirus and the limitations and following government procedures and everything, especially when it comes to shipping to different countries. There might be some delays there, so if I can find any of that information I'll pop it down in the description, as well as links to this box as well. So if you click on the show more, if you click that, that'll bring up description and everything will be listed down there. Now these boxes sell out super fast. Now you do have the option to sign up for notifications if you download their app, but sometimes these notifications come up like about 2 or 3 days after they've released it, and if it's a really good box then it's too late. These boxes they go super fast. I received this box today. I ordered it a couple of days ago. By the time I edit this and upload it onto my channel, there might be a chance that this box is sold out, unfortunately. So if that is the case, then I hope you're watching this more like as an awareness video. If you didn't have any clue that Asos did these boxes, then I hope that what you get from this video is that you know now, and something to look forward to for months down the line. So as soon as the first comes around, I am busy checking online to find out when this is released onto their website. I just go into the search box and I type in beauty box. As soon as I spot it, I buy it, and then I go onto my Facebook page and I put a direct link on my Facebook page, so then you lot can see what it's like. You can click through it. I also put it up on my Instagram page as well. Both pages are under Diaryofabeautygeek. Plus sometimes I do miss it, and a load of you lovely lot send me messages saying, Claire, it's being released. So as soon as I know, then I let you lot know as well. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything, I'll pop it down below. So let's get on to open it up and see what we got inside. So that's what it looks like, and you get a little card inside and it just details everything about the box. And these are the products. Oh, can't see much. They're on their side. So the little message on this card, it says hydration station. From skin quenching face masks to ultra nourishing serums, the latest Asos face and body box has all the hydrating heroes to refresh your skin this spring. To kickstart your routine, Style Pro's Hydrating Jelly Cleanser, which comes with a handy face cloth, will remove your makeup and keep skin extra moisturized, plus it's vegan friendly. Next up, you've got the Elements Pro Collagen Hydrogel Mask featuring hyaluronic acid to replenish your complexion and give your under eyes some extra TLC. For that extra burst of hydration, Indeed Laboratories Hydration Booster and the Inky List Hyaluronic Acid Serum will increase moisture levels and provide long-lasting hydration throughout the day. And finally, drench your skin in Caudaly's Venosource Moisturizing Sorbet, which uses organic grape water to give your skin an instant boost. Get ready for your best glow yet. I can't wait. I know when I posted it up on my Facebook page, a load of people were like, oh, this is a good box. This is a good box. So hopefully they've still got it on their website. So the first item I'm grabbing is the biggest one in the box, and this is the Style Pro, and this is Easy on the Eye Hydrating Gel Cleanser, and it's got the cloth inside, so it's a makeup remover. We got this gorgeous fluffy cloth, just like the magic cloths you can get, the pink ones, you know. It's roughly the same size as well. Oh, it's lovely. I do love these. I have got quite a few of them, but both myself and my daughter, we use them daily, so I've got a big box of them now, so we just grab one when we need them. So this is the Hydrating Jelly Cleanser. That sounds amazing, doesn't it? It removes all traces of makeup, and we've got 100 mils here, so this looks like a full-size product, obviously, with this. So really excited with this product. Love cleansers, love them. Can never have enough cleansers. Just want to see what it's like. Yeah, it is like a jelly. So chuffed to that, so a cloth and a cleanser. Next we've got a product by Indeed Laboratories, and this is Hydration Booster for dehydrated skin, and it features niacinamide, and we've got 100 ml here. It says a blend of hydrating actives designed to restore vital moisture loss beneath the skin's surface, and it's smooth skin, increased suppleness and minimise fine lines and wrinkles. And how do we use it? Does it say here? Apply 1 to 2 drops to cleanse skin day and night. Use alone or mix with serum, moisturiser or liquid foundations. I love the packaging. Really smart. Oh, that sounds fab. I love things like this. I add a lot of things to like moisturisers. I add like glow drops, I add oils, lots of things. And it's generally moisturisers that I add them to. Now that's lovely. It's not shimmery, shiny or anything like that, but it feels nice and it absorbed into my skin really well. So yes, we got that. Next we got a product by the Inky List, and this is Hyaluronic Acid, and it's a serum. And it says definition, a powerful moisture binding ingredient that works beneath the skin's surface and that can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. And we got 30 ml. Use AM and PM on cleansed skin. Apply a pea-sized amount to face and neck. Follow with preferred serums and moisturisers. So you've got a face serum there. Next you've got a product by Elemis, and this is a Pro Collagen Hydrogel Eye Masks. Eye mask for fine lines and wrinkles around eyes, hyaluronic acid, Padina pavonica, chlorella, hyaluronic acid, and smooths, tightens and hydrates, and it's anti-aging. And there's 2 masks in there. Now I've got a few products from the Pro Collagen range that I've been fortunate to receive in boxes, subscription boxes and like special edition boxes, but I don't think I've ever tried one of these. I don't think so anyway. So it's, yeah, just little masks you can see there. So you apply it under your eyes. Does it give me any extra information? Open sachet and remove 1 eye mask from the plastic backing sheet. Gently press the mask onto the under eye area and remove the second mask from the backing sheet and place under the other eye. Okay, you really didn't need to know that, did you? Basically take them out and shove them under your eyes. Leave for 20 minutes, remove and dispose. Best used straight from the fridge. Lastly, we got a moisturiser, and this is a Venosource by Caudalie, and it's the Moisturizing Sorbet. We got 15 ml there. Now I've tried this before as well. I've had it a few times in different subscription boxes, and it's a really, really nice moisturiser. It is lovely. It's quite lightweight. It sits nice as well on top of my other skincare. My daughter really likes it as well. She's got very, very sensitive skin. So I looked into different moisturisers and this one came up, and it's got it here. It's got for sensitive skins. So I gave it to her. I gave the one that I had. I had a big one that I received in, I think it was a Beauty Expert box maybe, and then I had little ones like this as well. This is about a year or 2 ago, so I gave her a little one and she loves it. Quite pricey to get the big one, but so anytime I get one of these, so I'm going to give it to her because she does really, really like it. So yeah, it's a really nice moisturiser. So altogether, we have got a full face of skincare really, except for SPF. That's the only thing that's missing. But we've got a cleanser and cloth. We've got a hydration booster which can be used on its own or like mixed in with serums or moisturisers. We've got some eye gels. We've got a hyaluronic acid serum. And finally we've got a moisturising sorbet. So we've got a full set of skincare here. So if you're starting out on skincare and you haven't got a clue where to start, then I think for £12 this is a blooming amazing box. Really, really, really good box with some really great brands as well. So no, I'm really chuffed with it, really chuffed. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Did you get it, or did you see it and you thought, nah, it's not for me? And all your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. Also, please give me feedback as well on where I am filming. It's my bedroom, not necessarily, oh yeah, like that picture or like that plant, but how I look in it, how you can see me, how bright I am and things like that. So yeah, I'll leave it up to you. Give me some feedback and I'll see about maybe doing some more videos here or back in my little filming room, which is teeny tiny, but everything's there. It's fine. I'm just talking too much now. I'm gonna go. So I'll speak to you soon. Bye.